Hi guys, today I received this FAMOO conversation enhancing headphones. So I'm going to take it out of the box. Okay. Here is the main unit. It comes with different earbuds, the user guide, and the charger. Okay. So I'm gonna take it out of here. Okay. This is the main unit. It has here the buttons and here the Type-C charging port. It's in here, okay? So these are some big ones, have one bigger, so I'll put them and I'll use the main first. Okay, so I'll get my cell phone to connect it via Bluetooth. Okay, so I have here the cell phone and I'm gonna turn them on. To turn them on, you long press for 3 seconds the middle button. Okay. You can listen when it's on and when it's pairing. I'll go to Bluetooth and select them. Okay, now it's connected. I'll just put them on. Okay, it has a really nice sound quality when you're using it. It hears very well, and you can activate the assistive listening mode by clicking this sidebar. Okay, you listen, well, everything around you much higher, so it can help people who doesn't hear all that great, and I think they are really nice because they work as an amplifier of what you're hearing. You can also hear yourself actually very loud, which I think it's really nice. And well, other people when they're talking, when you're in a meeting, you can listen to them better. So they're actually really nice. Okay, you can select the volume. Okay, the volume goes up to 6, which is really nice of an enhancement. You can actually hear everything. They are actually really nice. You have in here the key functions, so you can learn how to use them and well get the most out of them. And I like that you can also use them as regular headphones. When you unlock your cell phone, it actually changes the function to the headphone, so it's really nice. It can change depending on what you're looking. As I'm looking like a video, it changes up to the video, and when I turn it off, it comes back to the auxiliary mode. So it's really nice. They work perfect, and they are very compact. They doesn't bother up on your neck because this part is very flexible, and this you can change them the buds if you don't like how they fit on you. So I will actually really recommend these ones. They're really nice and they fit perfect. See ya.